Alright guys, so let's look at this video, and this is posted by Sawyer again, and he just posted recently too. As we can see from the video footage, it's a Cybertruck that's parked in front of the Trump Tower. So, and it got exploded like crazy, and as you can see, the aftermath of it has a lot of fireworks in it. So we're not sure, or I'm not sure whether it's it parked there purposely with and some kind of ill intentions. Because as you can see right now, the Cybertrucks and Tesla is the image of Elon, right? And parked right in front of the Trump Tower, the building, and it got exploded. So I don't think there's any good intentions there. What ignited the fireworks or the trucks, we don't know. Whether someone has a remote control that ignited the truck or do it on purpose to either to destroy the image of the Tesla or give a bad rep on it, or to just say that it's not safe to stay at the Trump Towers. We don't know, but we have very limited information right now, and that's all we know right now. So, what are your thoughts on this? Why would anybody be doing something like this on you know what I mean? So thank you Sawyer for posting this, and I'm pretty sure we're gonna get the updates pretty soon, because they'll be investigated, because it's right now you're in front of the Trump Towers and you're driving a Cybertruck, and who parked there, who owns it. So we're probably gonna have more information soon, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys, bye.